Good morning, dear student.
Good morning, sir.
Uh, I am your science teacher, Mr. Surendra Kumar Srivas. Okay, and today I will teach chapter number 10. Okay, and chapter name is respiration in organism. Chapter name is respiration in organism. Okay, so students, every organism needs energy to carry out its life processes. We need energy to walk, run, or do any work. We require energy to write, read, eat, and walk. Okay. While we are sleeping, energy is required. We get this energy from the food we eat. Okay. So all living organisms need oxygen of air for the breakdown of digested food to obtain energy. Okay, so students, there are create one question, okay, or one topics. What is respiration? Okay, there are one question or topic create. What is respiration? Okay, so respiration is the process of taking in oxygen. Okay, using it for the release of energy by breakdown of food and eliminating the waste product carbon dioxide and water. Okay, so student, in this process, respiration, in this process we take oxygen, okay, and using it for the release energy by the breakdown of food, okay, and eliminating the waste product from carbon dioxide and water. That's clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in this topic?
No, sir.
Okay, so it involves two steps. Okay, respiration involves in two steps. Okay, it involves two steps. Two steps. Okay, so first step have a external respiration. Okay, first step have a external respiration. External respiration. Okay, and second is a internal respiration. Okay, internal respiration. That's clear? Okay, internal respiration. Okay, so I will deal the external respiration. Okay. So students, in this process, external respiration, okay, also known as breathing, okay. So the process of taking in air rich in oxygen and giving out air rich in carbon dioxide by the living organism with the help of their respiratory organs is known as external respiration. Okay, and other name also known as breathing. This process. Okay, so external respiration in this process taking of air. Okay, taking of air rich in oxygen. Okay, rich in oxygen. That's clear. Rich in oxygen. Okay, so this is a molecular formula of oxygen. O2 is a molecular formula of oxygen. That's clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so in this process, external respiration process, a organism taking rich in air. Okay, so this air form I have O2. Okay, and giving out air rich in carbon dioxide. Rich in carbon dioxide. Okay, so CO2. Okay, CO2 is a molecular formula of carbon dioxide, CO2. Okay, so this name of carbon dioxide. That's clear. Any doubt anyone?
No, sir.
Okay, so in the understood all of you in
Yes,
this
sir.
process, external respiration process, any organism, okay, taking gas, okay, air, gas form of air, rich in oxygen, and giving out air rich in carbon dioxide. Okay. And second step is a internal respiration. Second step is a internal respiration. Okay, the process of breakdown of food in the cells with the release of energy. Okay, called internal respiration. And other name have this step. Cellular respiration. Okay, other name also called cellular respiration. This is the okay. So the process of breakdown of glucose or food, okay, in the cells with the release of energy called internal respiration or cellular respiration. Okay, so cellular respiration are two types: aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. So this process break down food, okay, food or glucose, okay, food or glucose break down, okay. In this process, food or glucose break down in the cell, okay, break down, okay, in the cell, okay, break down in the cell, food or glucose break down in the cell and release of energy, okay, release of energy. That's clear. Release of energy. Okay, so this is called internal respiration or cellular respiration, and cellular respiration is of two types: aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Okay. So student, you can see cellular respiration is of two types. Okay, first is a aerobic respiration and second is a anaerobic respiration. Okay, aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. So what about aerobic respiration? Okay, aerobic respiration. So aerobic respiration is, okay, aerobic respiration is in this process break down food, okay, into carbon dioxide and water to release energy using oxygen is called aerobic respiration. Okay, and anaerobic respiration breakdown of food into alcohol and carbon dioxide with the release of energy without the use of oxygen is called anaerobic respiration. Okay, that's clear. Aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. That's clear.
Yes, sir.
So student, in aerobic respiration, breakdown of food into carbon dioxide and water, okay, to release energy using oxygen is called aerobic respiration. Okay, so this aerobic respiration, okay, glucose or food, C6H12O6, okay, this is a food or other than our glucose, okay, this is formula of glucose, okay, C6H12O6, okay, so breakdown this food into carbon dioxide, okay, CO2, 6CO2, CO2 is a carbon dioxide, okay, and water and release energy, okay, release energy, okay. So you can see this reaction, okay, glucose breakdown presence of oxygen into CO2, carbon dioxide and water and release energy, okay. Second I have anaerobic respiration, okay. So breakdown of food into alcohol and carbon dioxide with the release of energy. Okay, without the use of oxygen is called anaerobic respiration. Okay, so this is this is C6H12 have a glucose. Okay, so without the use of oxygen, this glucose break down alcohol to C2H5OH and carbon dioxide and release energy. So this reaction completed without oxygen or absence of oxygen, and this reaction aerobic respiration reaction completed in presence of oxygen. Okay, so any doubt, students? Both topics? Okay, so have a nice day. Good day.